Think fatal danger number 5. Ground control. Ground control is a serious risk and a common cause of mining fatalities. This video will highlight the critical controls and safe work practices for ground control which will keep you safe. Loss of ground control most often occurs in or around excavation areas. For example, trenches, stockpiles, pit walls, and wet or muddy work areas. Stay alert and report any sign of ground instability immediately. Common causes of ground control fatalities which you should look out for are persons not reporting ground failures like sinkholes, localized wall failures, or excessive erosion. Not monitoring or not responding to radar or ground alarm systems. Poor communication between geotechnical engineers, supervisors, and operators. Working with equipment too close to high walls or drop-offs. Entering danger zones. Not properly barricaded or secured trenches or open holes. Disregarding the plans, specifications, or procedures when excavating trenches. Ignoring dangerous overhangs. Engaging in unsafe work practices like ignoring the spotter that result in concentrate stockpiles collapsing. And mining excessively high faces or benches. To protect you from ground control incidents on the mine, First Quantum has identified critical controls. These keep us safe and incident-free and must be used for everyone's safety. The critical controls for ground control are: use the correct technical equipment and alarm systems. Early warning will save lives. Pre-plan work with all relevant stakeholders and develop evacuation plans. Barricade and signpost danger zones. Keep your brothers safe. Inspect ground conditions and report instability immediately. Finally, scale loose material and ensure excavations are sloped or shored as per standard operating procedures. Additional safe work practices for ground control which should be observed include: ensure that you're wearing the correct PPE for your task or job. Study and memorize your evacuation plan. Saving time in an emergency saves lives. Maintain communication with supervisors, mine officials, safety or geotechnical engineers to make sure you are aware of any potential ground control problems. Danger zones must not be entered unless authorized. Personnel must not excavate near a dangerous overhang. Ground conditions in high-risk areas must be monitored. And perform a think risk assessment and review the relevant standard operating procedures. Take the time, highlight the hazard, identify what could go wrong, necessary actions to be taken. Keep safety first. No job is so important that it cannot be done safely. Remember, you are your brother's keeper. Think safety.